All right, part 5 for Team Legacy and Team Legacy only. This is not for anybody else's eyes, and these are private from me, Jeffrey Jansen. All right, part 5. Now, whenever anybody comes in the Legal Shield, one of the things I want everybody to know is this. There is some stuff you have to do. And one of the things I've asked my team to do is if they have other jobs, they have other things going on, or if they want to spend the next couple years, kind of learning. Once you're a Legal Shield associate, you're a Legal Shield associate for life, no matter what. Okay? No one's going to force anything out of you. No one's going to do anything. If you do not pay your membership, you cannot offer or sell anybody any type of Legal Shield or Legal Shield plan. All right? And one of the things that I need to make very clear, when you come on as a Legal Shield associate, you need to have at least one membership, the bare minimum membership, which, depending on how you come in, if it is for the general public and you come on with a membership, it's going to be $24.95 for the family plan. Now, granted, a few people will come on through like businesses and stuff, and that will be because they're grandfathered into older plans at $18.95. So if you think that your plan is wrong, and then you pay that each time. Now, it's a one-time to be an associate of $99, okay? Now, to give you an idea, they brought that down from $249. So it is $99 to be an associate. Once you're an associate, you'll never pay $99 again, but you still need to maintain your membership. So if you don't maintain your membership and you drop off, meaning you don't have a membership, you can't sell anything. Now, if you get your membership back, that means you're automatically, but you have to call and make sure to reestablish it. You can automatically call in and get your associate agreement up and going again without having to pay anything else. So once you're an associate for life. Whether you got a membership or not, you just can't sell anything unless you have an active membership. Okay? Now, some people kind of get that mixed up to where now when you come on the first month, you get what's called tools, okay? Your tools can help you if you're active or if you're doing a lot. Or the tools, no matter what, tools are $20 a month. That is for them to maintain your prospecting by Legal Shield, for them to maintain all the paperwork in your back office. It is for your website. You do not need tools in order to be an associate and a member, okay? Tools are just something extra to help you, okay? The reason why they give you the first month free of tools is like anything else, so you can see how they work, see how they can benefit you, see what goes on. However, after the first month, and that's the free, they're going to charge you $20 if you did not tell them you do not want the tools, or you didn't send an email, a text, or call in saying, hey, I don't need the tools right now. Tools can be canceled at any time. They can also be brought back on any time. Now, that's $20 per month for tools. So if you're making money in Legal Shield and people are going to your website signing up, that's the only, you have to have the tools in order to do that. If you do not have the tools, then you need to go on to your back office, which your back office is free. It's part of your Legal Shield associate agreement. You don't need to have the tools, but you then have to sign them up through your back office. They cannot find you on the internet because the tools are maintaining that for you. So, if you have the tools, you can go to things like, mine would be Jeffrey W. Jansen at LegalShieldAssociate.com, or Jeffrey W. Jansen at WeAreLegalShield.com or .WeAreLegalShield.com. All those things will work for you. Your LS Engage will be 100% active. All your paperwork, you can go in and print it off with your name and everything on it. Everything will be directly focused on you and you alone, so that you make sure to get credit for everything you do. If you look up your area and you have the tools, they'll pull your name up because they're making sure to keep that up to date. If you do not have the tools, then you personally have to do all the legwork in order to get everything done. meaning you'll have to go onto your back office and sign them up. They cannot go onto it without you doing it yourself. Okay? I know a lot of people think that $20 means you're paying, and no, that's only for tools. And we need to make that very clear that an extra $20 is for tools and tools only. Okay? So it doesn't mean your membership is a whole separate thing. And when you came on for the $99, that's a whole separate thing also. Tools means that it's just a monthly membership for tools so that you have access, because you are your own business, and that's what people forget. You own your own business. So basically it makes sense that when you own your own business, you're going to have to pay for things that keep you active in your business. All right, we're going to go on to number 6 here in just a second.